Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to draw eyes. I'll be covering the very basic theory, or how I just draw eyes, and what to consider. We're going to discuss the theory today, and in another video I'll show you how all of this comes together in the drawing. We're going to start with eyebrows because eyebrows are something that most of us don't really notice, but they make or break an impression. So for example, to give an evil impression or an angry one, we are going to make the arch very obvious and the front part of the eyebrow tilted downwards. If you want to make someone look excited, you're just going to lift the arch and curve it, and that gives you a very excited impression. If we lift only the front part of the eyebrows, the person will look innocent and cute. Experimenting with these to figure out what you like best. Moving on to the actual eyes, if you want to draw realistic eyes, we are going to draw the shape of a tear or an almond and then add the circle for the iris. I like to add the guidelines based off the first eye I've drawn so that they look similar. If you want to draw more anime or manga stylized eyes, we are going to disconnect the upper line from the lower line. Keep in mind that there are several manga styles, so you can just experiment with that as well. For more of a cartoon style, we are just gonna keep it very simple, as that's how cartoons are drawn. For a male eye, you just keep the corners edgier and don't add many visible eyelashes. For female eye, just do the opposite. So make the eye curvy and add lots of eyelashes. Finally, a remark: the more eyelashes you add, the bigger the eyes seem.